Hello friends, today I'm going to share you the small tip which will allow you to send original copies of your photos and videos to your friends without compressing them in WhatsApp. You must be aware that WhatsApp reduces the image and video quality when you send them in chats to save the space. So if you want to send original quality photos to your friends, whether they are on iPhone or Android, you can use this simple trick. What you want to do is you want to go to photos. Supposedly this is the photo that you want to share. You want to tap the share button, scroll all the way down and look for this iCloud link option. You want to select this iCloud link option. As you can see, it is preparing. Now this link is copied to your iPhone memory. Now you want to go to the chat where you want to share this photo. So just go to the chat and you want to paste this link. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste this link in the text field. So as you can see, there it pops up. Now when you send this photo, this sends the iCloud server link. When people open this link, they will be directed to the iCloud server link. Since I'm using iPhone, this is directly opening the photo in my Photos app. And if the person is using Android, the link will be opened in browser. And as you can see, the person can download the original quality photo. This is how I share photos and videos with my friends who are using Android. And as you can see, this link will stay active until 1 month. After that, people will not be able to download photos and videos from your link. So tell your friends to download photos and videos as early as possible. So this will not be available after 1 month. So this is how you share photos and videos in WhatsApp chats without reducing the quality. So I hope you guys found this little tip useful. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one.